back to the shop. Today is a really good day because we got parts. And with parts comes progress, which means we're going to start getting stuff done. Alright, so first things first, right out of the box we have this hat. I did not order this hat, they sent it to me as a gift. So, thank you very much, Summit Racing. I have a big head. Alright, next up we have this new dipstick. This dipstick here is made to work with the pan that we ordered. A little bit shorter dipstick, but I think it'll work just fine. We're gonna go mount this up in a second and make sure it fits. And next, ooh, we got stickers. One of these has to go on the Volvo, I guess. We could get that back window as like a portrait of everything that we've done. And I also have our gasket for the oil pan. And now, the legend himself. And here it is. A Holley F-body oil pan. This oil pan is much shallower. It's built for the conversion kits for an F-body car like the Camaro or the Firebird. But anyways, this is about 5 inches from top to bottom compared to the 8 inches our truck pan is. With this oil pan, we should be able to put the pan on the engine and just have it slide right into the car. Alright, well, first things first, we gotta prep the pan for install. We're gonna put the oil plug drain in. We're gonna throw the oil filter thread in. We have this little plate that goes on the side of the oil filter, keeps the oil in. I think this is for a if you want to do like an oil filter relocation kit. I think that's what it's for. But I don't want to do that because that's more money I have to spend. And I'm not 100% sure what these are supposed to be. They had a list of my stuff in here. The oil pans all together. I have my tray put in. I have my oil filtered thread, my block here, my plug bolt on the other side. The only real question now, so I have these 2 bolts and this gasket. I have no idea where they go. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna ask Dad, see if he knows where they go. In the meantime, I'll put some stickers on stuff. I'm gonna go with one here. And one here. Perfect.
Very much.
Nope.
It's not recording anything interesting right there.
Oh, that's perfect. Stupid braid. Put it in and out.
Aren't you guys not trying to do this in the car?
Oh my gosh, people! I don't get how people can do it in the car. How's the RTB on this sills? Did you see?
Oh yeah, I wiped it off actually because we were taking so long to
Are we
like.
gonna need to redo that?
Yeah, we need to squeeze
just-
it in.
Okay, I'm just gonna back this bolt out a little bit and redo it.
Lightly put those in and then.
Nice.
So just try to go big long sweep so you can feel if you hit any resistance.
It's like flush with the transmission. That's perfect. Now we're gonna chop that out because our oil pan doesn't fit. Yeah.
You want to record your grinding?
Maybe. Sludge on here is kind of thick.
You want those other gloves?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a thicker pair of gloves.
This is how you get ready to do the dangerous jobs. This is a commercial for Dickies workwear. Not sponsored by Dickies yet, but with enough viewers on YouTube, we'll get the subscriber list up. We'll get Dickies to send us some good gear.
Heck yeah. Maybe get a full face shield. Alright, so we cut the cross member, try and get the oil pan fit. Take what, 4? Take 5?
Yeah, what were you thinking?
I thought V8s
Okay.
were cool,
I'm
man.
gonna go down just a tiny bit and see.
Okay.
Let's try to step back as we've been.
Okay.
It's like
It's there.
probably not even a half an inch left
No.
of cross member. Okay, that's good. You know, this is encouraging, right? It tells us we're super dang close.
Yeah.
The brake lines are still going to be an issue.
I just need the engine in. I don't need to stop.
Okay, so you're gonna pull back out and cut a little more.
Okay.
Dude, this is the job you chose.
That's
you want,
fair.
You wanted to custom fit, fabricate a motor into a car it wasn't meant to go in.
That's fair, I guess.
Okay, I'm gonna come forward just a little bit. We're sitting right now
Yeah.
on the front.
Okay, that's where I'm at too. Yeah, I mean it's sitting on the motor mounts. Motor mounts are in. Everything's bolted in. I think it's good. It's just it's not dialed in for sure. I did it. Well, we did it. The engine is in the Volvo. It's in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That was all I needed to do before we go to Texas. You know, now that it's in, it looks like it's still on the engine. It's not. It's sitting on its own. It's good to go. I'm so happy. Now that I have that done, I can just focus on studying and working. I gotta come back down here one more time and button some things up and pack up some tools, but hey, mission accomplished. I'm probably not going to film next week, so probably the next time you guys see me, I'm going to be on my way to Texas, and we'll film that. We'll make a cool little video on that, but thank you guys for watching. It's been a real trip, but coming up next, we're going to Texas. We're going to have some fun out there, see if we can do some car shows, have a good time. Thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.